What is up? And this is Inside GoHighLevel. Welcome back, and my name is John Marie. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a funnel using a HTML and JavaScript. So if you don't know how to code, don't worry because I will also show you how I create it, even if you don't know how to code. So this is how I do it. Okay. First, you're gonna need to create a funnel here. And you can build with AI, you can build with templates, you can create a blank funnel. So if you wanted to customize everything because templates are good, but it's only few and most of the businesses use this, so we don't want to do that. We can create a funnel name. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's say we're gonna create a funnel for lending. Let's say I don't have in mind right now. I just want to use this Claude AI to generate me. Can you help me uh, create a funnel for loan and give me loan agency and give me idea, give me a name. So this is a lot of information that it put it here. So I just wanna let's say Meridian Lending Group. So this is a nice name. Thank you, Claude. So it's now creating, and we can add an information. So we can put here Meridian Lending Group, create. We can use a blank because we're gonna start from scratch. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna get this code. Sorry, we're gonna do it like that, and we're gonna use the code editor. We're gonna ask Claude to help us build a funnel. Can you generate a JavaScript and HTML code for me for the funnel I created for the Meridian. It should be friendly and able to attract or get leads, and it should have a live calculator. Let's try that. So Claude is thinking right now. Let's see what it can do. This is if you don't know how to code, but if you know how to code, you can just write the code directly. But this is even faster because we're using AI and AI generates the code faster. You just have to get a good prompt for the AI to understand the information that we are trying to get, and now it's building. And this is free, actually. We're just using Claude AI browser, so it's actually free. And it's doing the work, as you can see. And there we are. This is the funnel that we get. So we're just gonna download this, and then we're gonna open this to inverse versus code, and we're gonna copy this and then paste it here, and then save, and then save. So it will not do anything because we can only see it if we hit the preview or this domain here. So this is how we build a funnel in GoHighLevel, fully just the code. I mean, fully coded, but it looks AI actually. You gotta need to provide all the information that, but this is actually working. It looks like it's working. So let's say home improvements, 36 months, and it's not working actually. So this is customized rate. So full name, information, and when you click this, let's say we click this. Oh, it did actually. Total interest, loan amount. But this is just a landing page. So what I'm saying is, even if you don't know how to code, if you know how to use the Claude, if you know how to use ChatGPT, so you can still be able to at least um, create and customize some of your work. And this is not actually good, but I don't like the design, but this can help. We just have to need a little bit of edit here regarding about the information if you wanted to edit the colors and everything. So that's it for the code even and you can also uh, use templates here and customize it with AI. So I think that's all I wanted to share right now, just to show you that you can use Claude regarding about this. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching my channel.